Welcome the our channel. Today we how to update Slack desktop app for notifications and channels. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update the Slack desktop app, begin by launching the application on your computer. Look for the Slack icon on your desktop or in your application menu. Once Slack is open, navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. On a Mac, click on Slack in the menu bar. On a Windows PC, click on Help from the menu. Select Check for updates from the drop-down menu. Slack will automatically check for any available updates. If an update is found, a prompt will appear. Follow the instructions to download and install the update. Once the update is complete, restart the Slack app if prompted. After restarting, go to Preferences in the menu. In the Preferences window, choose Notifications from the sidebar. Here, you can customize your notification settings. Make sure to select your preferred channels for notifications. You can choose to receive notifications for all messages, direct messages, or mentions only. Additionally, set your sound preferences for incoming notifications. After adjusting your settings, close the Preferences window. To ensure everything is working correctly, send a test message in a channel you selected. Check to see if your notifications appear as expected. If everything looks good, you're all set to use the updated Slack app with your customized notifications. Enjoy staying connected with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.